Want to filter unqualified leads automatically using forms? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up forms that save you time by automatically filtering out leads who aren't a good fit. If you're tired of wasting time on unqualified prospects, this method will help you focus only on the ones who matter. Stick around to the end and I'll share a free trial of the software we'll be using in this video, exclusive to viewers of my channel. The first step is setting up your form. You'll want to create a form that asks qualifying questions right at the start. These could include things like budget range, company size, or specific needs. You'll want to make sure these questions are clear and help you determine if a lead is worth pursuing. If you're using a tool like this software, you can easily add custom fields that suit your business needs. Once the form is live, it's time to automate the filtering. This is where the magic happens. Most forms have an option to set conditional logic, which allows you to define rules that will automatically direct leads into the right category based on their answers. For example, if someone selects a budget range that's outside your target, you can automatically route them to a disqualified list. This saves you from having to manually sift through every lead. You can also use this feature to trigger different responses based on their answers. If a lead doesn't qualify, you can send them a polite email thanking them for their interest and letting them know they may not be a good fit at the moment. But if they do qualify, they can immediately get a personalized follow-up or an offer to book a meeting with your sales team. This process is essential for businesses that deal with large volumes of leads. Without this level of automation, it can become overwhelming to sort through every single submission. By using forms to filter unqualified leads automatically, you're ensuring your team spends time on what matters most. And the best part, it's all happening in the background so you can focus on growing your business instead of dealing with tedious manual tasks. To recap, create a form with qualifying questions, set up conditional logic to automatically filter out unqualified leads, and use automated responses to manage the process smoothly. Before you go, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we've been using in this tutorial. You'll find the link in the description below, only available to my channel viewers, so don't miss out. The key takeaway here is that automating lead qualification with forms is a powerful way to save time and increase efficiency. The sooner you implement this, the sooner you'll start spending your time on the leads that truly matter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.